Hi everyone, thank you for dropping by again. This is my vlog number 3 for my Safety series. I am on break right now. Instead of doing something else, going away, I prefer to create this valuable video to be able to help you once again. I am so positive, I'm so excited to create this because of the positive feedback I receive from the viewers of my past two vlogs, the 1 and 2, and because of the inspiration I get from my colleagues, from positive feedback from the safety personnel that I have worked with for the past 16 years. So I'm so excited to do this. Again, I hope you will stick up to the end of this video because I'm going to share very important points along the way. Without so much ado, let's proceed. Go mga ka-safety. The main topic of this video is about the workplace hazards that are existing in 5 general areas. You can easily remember them using mnemonic MEEPS. M-E-E-P-S. MEEPS. Right. What is M? M for materials, be it solid, liquid, or gas. E for equipment, that includes machineries, tools, and devices. The next E is for environment, noise, atmosphere, temperature, radiation, etc. P for people, that includes anyone in the workplace, any people, customers, clients, contractors, employees. Okay. S is for system, flawed policies, safety procedures, safety plans, programs, practices, and etc. So that is mnemonic MEEPS. So now, when you go to site, if this in your head, the mnemonic MEEPS, you will be able to identify hazards. Okay, just remember MEEPS. Okay. Now, before we proceed further, I have 10 questions here. I'm going to read it aloud and let's try to answer it. Anyway, I'll give the answers at the latter part of this video. Okay? So let me read question number 1. Each of the following is one of the 5 general hazards categories except A. Materials, B. Management, C. Equipment, D. Environment. Question number 2. Which of the following is least likely to be uncovered during a walk-around safety inspection? A. Unsafe workspaces, B. Defective equipment, C. Hazardous chemicals, D. Unsafe behaviors. Question number 3. All of the following are reasons employees might be in a hazardous state of being, except when they are sober and focused, when they are in hurry, C. when they are distracted, D. when they are bored. Question number 4. These types of hazardous materials may cause serious burns if they are splashed into the eyes. A. Solvents, B. Plastics and resins, C. Acids and alkalis, D. Gases. Question number 5. Which program should be in place to make sure equipment operates properly? A. A corrective maintenance program, B. A preventive maintenance program, C. An as-needed maintenance program, or A or D. A just-in-time lean maintenance program. Question number 6. Which of the following may cause an electric shock to a person? A. Contact with the ground wire of an electrical circuit. B. Contact with any metals underground. C. Contact with both wires of an energized electric circuit. D. Contact with the non-metallic part of wire. Question number 7. What is probably the greatest reason employees perform unsafe actions? A. They are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. B. They are fatigued. C. They are stressed by others. D. They are in hurry. Question number 8. What type of hazards are employees exposed to when working from any height above the ground? A. Mechanical hazard. B. Acceleration hazard. C. Environmental hazard. D. Vibration hazard. Question number 9. What type of hazards are employees exposed to when physically lifting or lowering equipment as part of their work? A. Ergonomic hazard. B. Vibration hazard. C. Acceleration hazard. D. Psychosocial hazard. Okay. Last question. What type of hazard is an employee exposed to using a tool with rotating parts? A. Pressure hazard. B. Toxic hazard. C. Mechanical hazard. D. Vibration or noise hazard. Now check your work, check your answers. You will find out the correct answers at the latter part of this video. Okay, good luck mga ka-safety. Okay mga ka-safety, let's dig deeper into this hazardous MEEPS. Let's start with EM or hazardous materials, be it solid, liquid, and gas. For solid, wood, metal, plastics, normally they are purchased and brought to the site in large quantities. If not handled properly, if not stored properly, then they can possess hazards to the workers. Liquid, flammable liquids, acids, alkali, solvents, these are harmful chemicals. Again, if they're not contained properly, not protected, then they can fuel to a disaster. Fire, explosion, can burn skin, can cause blindness if it's splashed into your eyes. So for gas, hydrogen sulfide, methane, and other gases. These hazardous materials, there are, CHB, Chemical Hazard Bulletin, and MSDS. It will tell you how to store them, how to protect yourself from getting harm once you have an accidental contact with these materials. So know the product, how to protect yourself, what protection you should be wearing, you should use to have a guard between you and these hazardous materials. M. Hazardous materials. So next is E for equipment. It includes machineries, tools, and devices. So make sure these equipment are properly guarded, and you should have the preventive maintenance to ensure heavy equipment, lifting equipment, earth moving equipment are in good working condition and safe for use. For the tools, make sure the power tools are in good working condition and they have the guards for grinders, for the table saw, cutting equipment in the carpentry shop. Make sure it's properly guarded, okay, and unplugged, and it should be controlled. Not anyone will do or operate this equipment, materials, devices, and tools if they are not trained to do so. Okay, and you should have corrective maintenance also. If a tool is found defective, it has to be fixed immediately. It has to be taken away out of the project site until it is fixed or replaced. Alright, the next is E for environment. Hazardous work environment. Exposure to excessive noise, 85 decibel or more. Poor illumination of the workplace. Exposure to electric shock. Adverse weather conditions, atmosphere, high temperatures. So you should have this program in place. Okay, go through it, review it, and make sure it is implemented at site. Should there be phenomena like what I have mentioned a while ago, you should be able to evacuate immediately, where to transport, etc. So E for environment. So far we have A for materials, E for equipment, and E for environment. Okay, let's proceed. Next is P for people. Hazardous people. These are the people who are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. There are people who are always in a hurry before quitting time, before lunchtime, and quitting time at the end of the day. Distracted people because of family issues back home. They are not sober, they are not focused on their work, and they are always in a hurry, like I said a while ago, and over fatigue. So these are hazardous people. Okay, of course, the company should have a program also to deal with these hazardous people. Okay. Right, the last is S, hazardous system. Flawed policies, failed safety programs, and safety plans, policies, procedures, and etc. The administrative control. Normally, a company has this safety management system, but if it is not well implemented, not supported by the management down below, then there will be a problem with the system. So that's also a hazard to the workplace. So that's it. So that's about hazardous system. I hope I can elaborate further, but due to time constraints, I could not make it this longer because I don't want you to get bored also. So yeah, we already covered E materials, E equipment, E environment, P people, and the system. Okay. So there you go mga ka-safety. Once again, I hope you learned from this video. If you have comments, leave it in the comment section below, and let me know your comments, your point of view. If there are things that I need to improve, do I speak so fast? Can you understand my English? Leave it in the comment section below. Please click like for the newcomers, for the new in this channel. Thank you once again for dropping by. Please click like and the bell button so you will always be updated whenever I have a new vlog. Okay. Again, thank you very much. You inspire me. Your thumbs up motivate me to do more of these videos. Okay. So thank you very much. Much love. Safe regards, and
Good morning! Kasama ko ang bossing ko.
ayan, yung isang ano. Yan oh, smile lang oh. Kasi malinis na yung site niya. Tingnan natin yung loob.
Dito na lang sa stair, pababa na sila, pababa.